Hey everyone, welcome back to String Cheese and Applesauce, where today we're going to do the build of the LEGO Friends Popstar Tour Bus. This is set number 41106, 682 pieces and 3 minifigures. Alright, so let's go ahead and not waste any time. Let's go ahead and just jump right into this. We'll go ahead and break the seals and see what we have in here. There you go. There's the Popstar bus. So, this is everything. So I'm going to zoom out a bit so we can kind of see what's going on. So the bus, it extends out, so it opens up for play options. We have a door. The front door opens up so the driver can get in and out. And then on the other side, when it slides open, you can see you've got this big area here. So it shows in the instructions you can take off the speakers and attach them inside of the bus all the way back here. There's a little clip. So let's go ahead and clip those guys in there. So the speakers are now in there, and it closes up. So that's really it. I don't know why you just want to store away just the speakers, but either way, that's cool. So, like I said, that's the bus. You have a little DJ stand. You have a table with refreshments. You've got lounge chairs. You've got snacks. You've got reading material. And you have Stephanie, Mia, and Livy, the pop star. So there you go. Tell me your thoughts. Put a comment down below. Thanks for watching this video. Appreciate everyone supporting my channel. So give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, we'll see you next time.